Hi, I'm Joe from CLEANSTAR. We're here today to talk to you about the CLEANSTAR stainless steel commercial 30 litre wet and dry vacuum cleaner. We have a 1000 watt wet and dry motor, easy operated on-off switch on the front of the machine, heavy duty stainless steel tank, 2 front caster wheels, large rubber wheels at the rear of the machine to make it easy to glide over the floor for you. The tools and the accessories are a 3 metre hose that when you push into the front of the machine locks into position and is well held. We also have 2 chrome wands, a wet squeegee floor tool, a dry hard floor tool, dusting brush and crevice tool. And now, looking inside the machine, remove the lid. We have a cloth filter bag that needs to be cleaned from time to time. When you want to use the machine in wet mode, leave the cloth bag out. As you can see over here, we have the float cage with the ball float. As the machine fills up with water, it'll cut the suction off, letting you know that it's time to empty the machine. In addition to the 30 litre machine, the CLEANSTAR commercial range also has a 15 litre machine, a twin motor 60 and 90 litre machine, and a triple motor 90 litre machine. So there we have it, the CLEANSTAR 30 litre commercial stainless steel wet and dry vacuum cleaner.